Psoriasis is a skin condition which poses unique challenges, such as the requirement for long-term management. With telemedicine becoming a popular and convenient mode of communication between doctors and patients post-pandemic, defining the best practices for its use in psoriasis treatment is critical. In this regard, the International Psoriasis Council, or IPC, recently formed a working committee to develop and implement a roadmap for integrating telemedicine in psoriasis management. The Council convened a working group of experts to assess the opportunities and limitations presented by telemedicine in psoriasis treatment. The group performed a holistic assessment of telemedicine via the nominal group technique by formulating statements to evaluate its impact on psoriasis care. They next had a voting session to reach a consensus. A total of 36 statements were agreed upon by the group that were subsequently published in a review article. According to the article, these statements highlight the potential of telemedicine in offering novel opportunities, such as artificial intelligence solutions for personalized psoriasis care. They also describe the benefits of telemedicine in terms of granting ease of access to medical providers and enabling early intervention, making it more affordable. The working group also explored the utility of live video conferencing and the value of hybrid telemedicine that incorporates both in-person and remote communication. However, the group acknowledges the inherent limitations of this care modality, which hinders physical examinations, causes potential security risks, makes for poor reimbursement policies, and leads to rejection owing to socioeconomic and cultural reasons. Therefore, there is an urgent need to educate medical providers, define best practices for telemedicine use, and encourage collaborative efforts with international organizations to overcome global barriers to care. With this article, the IPC has presented a global consensus statement on telemedicine in psoriasis management that takes cultural and technological differences into account. This approach will offer valuable insights into the current and future state of managing skin disorders.